Hey, what's cooking, Jay?
Hi everyone, great you could join us again at Gunther's Kitchen. Today we make a 10-minute pasta for all those busy people out there. Hot smoked salmon with spinach and chili oil. Absolutely to die for. Just have a look. The ingredients you will need are, you need some good pasta. Now you can say, you like fettuccine, you like linguine, you like spaghetti, whatever you like. I prefer linguine. So you need pasta, you need some hot smoked salmon. Get this from the supermarket. You also get that with pepper on top, very nice. So you need 2 pieces of that. We're cooking for about 3 people. You need a small onion, 2 garlic cloves, some chili oil, or just olive oil and chili flakes, 1 lemon, and 100 grams of spinach, baby spinach. You just get it in a bag in the supermarket. Some salt, pepper, and that's all you need. So we basically cook 2 things at the same time. We cook the pasta, and at the same time we make the sauce. By the time the pasta is cooked, the sauce is ready. So it's going to take us no time. All right, just hot frying pan, generous amount of olive oil, and then we're putting in the onions. We're going to sweat the onions on with no color, but until they are transparent. In the meantime, we go like that. 100 grams per person. 3 people, it's 3/4 of the bag. Put a couple more in, because today we are hungry. Now 1 minute's gone, we put the garlic in it. We don't want to put the garlic in too early, otherwise the garlic's going to get brown. We just want the flavor from the garlic. We don't want to brown it. Alright? So we leave it for another minute. In the meantime, we prepare our salmon. Now we're peeling our beautiful salmon. First thing is, we're taking the skin off, and then we start flaking it into bits, not too small, and this doesn't need to be heated up. This we add to our onion, garlic, olive oil, chili, and salmon mix. And also when you do this, you can feel by the chance if there's any bones in there. Normally there isn't, but you never know. Okay, so now the onions are beautifully clear. Now we're adding some chili flakes. Not much, because we can always add chili oil at the end if it's not spicy enough. Alright, so now we just fry this through for 1 minute. Turn it back up. And then we add some liquid out of our pasta water. So now the onions are perfectly done. Now we're adding the spinach. Just let the spinach wilt down. And we're adding, as I said, a little bit of pasta water. So the pasta is a couple of minutes away. The sauce is a couple of minutes away. Then we mix it all and we're done. Let's add some salt. Generous amount of salt. We also salted the water really well. Some black pepper. So now we're just waiting for the water to basically evaporate. And then we mix it all. And we're done. Of course you can add peas if you like. If you don't have any spinach, just add some green peas. Or some asparagus. If the asparagus is in season, beautiful combination. Let's take the pasta out. Just take your tongs and take them out. And like that. Okay, pasta is in. Now let's add the spinach. The spinach is in. Now, zest of 1 lemon. Another dash of salt. bit more pepper. So because it's the pasta and the spinach is very hot, you don't need to heat up the salmon whatsoever. But the flavor will all go through it because the salmon, it's a hot smoked salmon. It's absolutely delicious. All right, so now, if you like it spicy like we do, I add a bit more chili oil. Yeah, so we add some chili oil at the end, which makes it just that extra bit spicy. And then we got to put it in a nice bowl, just like this. Look at that, beautiful. Now the only thing what's missing is some Parmesan or pecorino. Some pecorino, because I prefer pecorino because it's a bit more creamy. So let's go on the big side. Look at this, absolutely to die for. And it takes you as long as the pasta needs cooking. So if I got pasta for 7 minutes, your dinner is done in 7 minutes. Otherwise this took about 10 minutes. All right, enjoy. As always, follow us, like us, subscribe, and leave a comment. Share us with your friends. And I'll see you the next time at Gunther's Kitchen on YouTube. Bye for now.